Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a WordArt title for your video, and I will also show you how to use the advanced text editor in Filmora 11. Okay, so you know that we have Filmora 11.4 and we have some interesting new feature, and that is one of the most interesting feature in this version. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so this is my Filmora 11 and this is my example project. For example, if you want to add text to your video at this position, remember to move the playhead to the position that you want to add text. Okay, so firstly, go to title. You have the title tab here, and there are many title templates that you can use for your video. By the way, for this purpose, I'm going to use a default title. So just select the title here, and then we can use this default title. Okay, just drag and drop it onto the timeline. Just put it above the video track. For example, like this, and now you have a default title on the timeline. If you want to customize the text, all you need to do is to double click at the title box here and then select the title tab, and then you can change the text to what you want to say. For example, this is where city, so I'm going to call it, this is the name of the city. And the next thing, you can change the font, the size of the text right here at the basic text editor. Okay, for example, I can change it to impact something that I like, and increase the size of the text maybe to 120. Yes, 120 is okay. And you can even change the text color and text space, something here at the text editor. Okay, and here on the left side of the window, you have some more option for your title. The first one is the title box, which is the basic text editor, and you have the video tab, which is the property of this title box. For example, you can transform your title box, such as rotation like this, and you can also scale it up and down with this transform option. You can even change the opacity and the blending mode of your title also. You want to reduce the opacity of the title, you can do like this. Okay, so at the compositing tab, so this is the video, and you need to go back to the title, and here we have two animation tab. The first one is the advanced animation effect for your title. You select the animation, we have two options. The first one is a preset animation, where you can select a preset for your title. For example, you can select this one, the vortex in, just double click to create some keyframe for your title. Okay, something will look like this. And down here you have the preset motion. You can also select a motion for your title also. For example, you want to make it zoom in to the left, you can just double click at the motion here, and then you can click OK, and now your title will have motion and also animation keyframe. Okay, just play. Very nice, right? By the way, I'm going to delete this keyframe just to show you something more about this title. Okay, I'm going to remove the motion also. Just double click here at no animation option. Okay, just double click it to remove the motion from your video. Okay, and if you want to add some specialized keyframe for your title, you can go to this customize option. At this customize option, you can add keyframe to your title box. For example, I can add the first keyframe to this position, and then I can scale it down at this position. Okay, so this is the effect for our title with the keyframe option. Okay, just play. Very nice, right? By the way, let's go back to the basic editor. Okay, just click the title tab, and you can see here we have one new tab here with the WordArt. If you click here at this tab, then you will have many options for your WordArt title. For example, you can select any WordArt title here. For example, to change your title to different style. It is very interesting. You can select anything here. Very beautiful, and you don't have to design it yourself. Wondershare design it for you already. Okay, for example, we can select this one. Okay, and this is the WordArt title with just some click. Very nice, right? And if you want to customize the color of the title, suggest changing the color, adding more color and outlines to this title, now you need to go to the advanced text editor. Okay, to do that, all you need to do is to right click at the title box and then select advanced edit, and now it will have a new window, and it is similar to the main editing window. For example, if you want to add more color to your title, you can select any color right here at the text field. So this is gradient field for your text. You can click here to add more color, and then you want to double click at this color and select another color for your text. For example, I can select this one. Very nice. There's some green in my title. And if you want to remove any color, all you need to do to select the color here, and then you can click the trash button, okay, to delete a color in your title. So here at the text color, you can add as many color as you want. Okay, so it is very simple. Just click here to add more color, or select the color and then delete it. It is very simple. And down here, you can also modify your outline and add more outline to your title. For example, if I want to add more outline, all I need to do to click this plus button. Okay, so I can click this plus button, and then I can customize the new outline. For example, I can change the color of the new outline to something like this with the green one, and I can also increase the thickness of the outline. So it is very interesting to have this option in Filmora 11 now. And being mentioned that you can also add more shadow to your text also. But by the way, I'm not going to add a shadow to this title. Okay, so let's play this one. Very nice. And if you want to add more text, you can also do it here. So in this advanced text editor, for example, you can add a new text box here and then move it to here. You can rotate it also and change it to Imperial City. Yes, another one. Okay, just move it right here. And you can also change the direction of your text also in this text editor with this button. Okay, if you want to make it vertical, you can click here to change it to vertical, and then you can to move it to here. And if you want to go back to horizontal, you can just click this option. Okay, for example here, and you can also increase or reduce the space between the character in here also. You can click here and then just drag it to the right, or increase this number to adjust the space between the character. And if your text had two lines, and then you can also adjust the space between lines here also. For example, I can just double click here and add another line, block or something like that, and I'm going to adjust the arrangement just for example. Okay, and now if I want to increase the line space, I can just drag this one to the right and make it a little bit bigger, because you can see here, very interesting, right? So that is about adding text. And being mentioned that you can also add some shape or image here also. If you want to add shape, you can click here to add more shape to your text box here. And finally is your timeline, where you can adjust the animation of the text here. So you have the engine animation and exit animation here. Okay, if you want to make the animation faster or slower, you can adjust it right here at the timeline. And if you want to save this title as custom for later use, you can click this button and save it and give it a name, Jackie1 or stuff like that, and then click OK. And then you can click OK. So that's very simple, right? And this is a WordArt title for my video. Just play it. So beautiful. Alright, so that is how to create a WordArt title for your video with Filmora 11.4. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.